Hello everybody! We know there have been a lot of questions about what the move-in process will look like this year.
This information will help give you information about what to expect when you arrive on campus.
On move-in day, traffic on Loop Road will be one way, so please enter using our main entrance, which is marked with the reader board. You can only enter Loop Road during your assigned check-in time, which you should have received in your email.
We understand that you only have a 3-hour time window to move into your residence hall, and we don't want waiting in line to cut into that. To help with this, you can start the check-in process 30 minutes before your assigned move-in time. Your check-in process starts here.
Hi, welcome to Whitworth. Do you have your placard?
The week before move-in, you will receive a placard in your student email that you should print out and bring with you to campus. It'll say your name, your hall, room number, and your move-in time. Yes, here it is.
Great. Go ahead and place that placard on your dashboard. You are right on time and it looks like your immunizations are all good. You will continue to lane 1 or 2 of the temperature and symptom check-in station.
Thank you.
If your immunization records are not up to date, we will have health center staff on site to assist you.
At the temperature and symptom screening station, we will be checking everyone in the vehicle's temperature and making sure they don't have any COVID-19 symptoms.
Your temperatures are good. Do you have the symptom checker app?
Yes, we do.
Great. Excellent. Here is your green ticket, which gives you clearance for move-in.
Thank you.
If anyone in the car does not pass the temperature symptom screening station, they will be given a red ticket and be directed to an additional screening station.
Hi there, which residence hall are you moving in today? If it's Aaron, you can pull in right here. If it's Stewart, the Villager Pallet, you can pull in right over there. If it's any of the others, then you can just follow this road and we'll be directed to your unloading zone. Good luck.
Thank you. The loading zones for Baldwin, Jenkins, Oliver, and Duval will turn down this road. There will be signage and people along the path to help lead you to your residence hall. Unloading zones will be clearly marked as well. This is the unloading zone for Ballard and McMillan. There are 2 unloading zones for Warren. One of them is here, and the other one is around the corner.
When you arrive at your residence hall unloading zone, you will be met by a Residence Life staff member who will give you your key, direct you to your room, and give you more information about the move-in process. Hopefully, this video answered all your questions you have about move-in. However, if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us.
And make sure you follow our Instagram at Whitworth Orientation for more information about orientation, any updates, and details about move-in. We're so excited to see you next month. Bye!